to another review. So today we're doing the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops for ultimate glow and brightening. Now I have the full size, but I'm using up my samples first because I have 3 of these and it doesn't make much sense to open this guy. I'll use these up. They're little, so it shouldn't take long, but I will open this box to show you what the full size looks like. Full size retails for $34, which kind of ouch, but nowhere near the worst I have seen for serums, especially for a bottle this size. It cracks me up. Looks like a light bulb, a pink light bulb. Ho ho! But yeah, look how iridescent and beautiful that is, and that is literally why it's got highlighting qualities to it. I'm gonna put that back in here for now because I don't want it getting messed up. So we're just gonna use this little guy. So on the box it reads, achieve a magical, undeniable glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. Inspired by Korean makeup artists' go-to glowing tricks, this lightweight gel helps you achieve an ultra-reflective complexion immediately and over time with antioxidant-rich watermelon, brightening niacinamide, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. All without mica, glitter, or pearls. See, this one doesn't cheat. Niacinamide brightens uneven tone and dullness and minimizes the appearance of pores to make skin truly glow. How to use for a maximum glow? On a no-makeup day, apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step of the entire routine. When wearing makeup, evenly distribute formula on finger and gently pat on the high points of the face in a tapping motion on top of makeup. For a glossy eye look, dab a pea-sized amount to the center of the eyelid and blend out. How to use for a natural glow? As a priming step, apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. Mix 1 to 2 pumps with foundation for a glowy finish. Can also be used as brightening serum step. Apply 1 pump before moisturizer to get long-lasting glowing skin results. So I didn't read those before I used it first time, and I kind of just stuck it all over my face, and it doesn't take much to do your whole face, but even so, I will show you, like, this little bit here, like, that's enough. That's totally enough. It's not really scented or anything, in case anybody was worried about that. It doesn't stay greasy or anything, but it does give a gorgeous glow. Like right now, it's still damp, but we're going to give it a little bit to dry. And I will show you how it's looking then, because honestly, this stuff just impresses the hell out of me. Okay, so I mean, all dried down, that is like a really nice glow without being over the top, without being crazy shiny or anything. The forehead is mostly because of my moisturizer, but like the cheekbones, the main point that I wanted it to highlight lovely like. Yeah, like that is some good stuff. I am in love with it. I'm honestly feeling like for $34 a bottle, especially when you can probably get it on sale sometimes, and for the size of the bottle, that's not bad. I could hang with that. Like, I paid way the F more than that for the Sunday Riley one. So, you know, this is like maybe half of what that one was, and honestly, I like the finish better. I could see myself actually legit buying this in the future. I got it in a beauty box, but I mean, I could see myself buying it. Straight up. Like, I am in love. I highly recommend this one, guys. Like, I think this one's where it's at. So, anyways, that is it for this one, my dudes. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.